to use circle to search on the Samsung S26 Ultra. So it works for a 3 buttons navigation and 4 gestures. And if you are using 3 buttons, you will have to click and hold over here. If you are using gestures, just the same. Just click and hold at the very bottom of the screen. So now, if you are looking for something, let's say I want to get more information about the Google Play Store, you can draw around anything, and now it will be searched in the browser. So as you can see here, I get visual matches, and I can just go forward to get exact matches, visual matches, and I can get some information about this image. But also what you can do with the circle to search, I'm just gonna open menu, and now take a look. You can copy text that is that you cannot select manually. So you have to click and hold something, and now as you can see, you can just copy this, or you can translate. For example, if I want to translate this into the Polish language, I have to input that phrase, pick the language, and here I can find translation. So it's very, very useful. And even here we can get the song recognition, or we can use the voice if you want, voice search. So there's like multiple ways how to use it. I hope you find it useful.